no GPS showing approximate location Waze. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you how you can solve if Waze app is not showing any GPS and also showing your approximate location. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to solve Waze application actually showing approximate location, first of all you have to enable the location services for your device. So tap on continue and tap on the OK option, and you can select precise over here and tap while using the app. So if you don't select precise, what happens is Waze is going to show an approximate location. So assuming you have location turned on your phone, if you don't have the option from the Waze app, just long press the Waze app icon on your Android phone, then tap the I button to come to the app information page. This can be accessed on any Android device. Now from here you can simply go to permissions, go to location, select allow all the time and select use precise location. So basically when this is turned off, the application will use an approximate location surrounding the area, but you want a precise location, so you select your use precise location and Waze will be able to use a location. This way you should be able to solve showing approximate location for the Waze app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.